This was my reaction to VEO3.
What the hell? Oh my God.
I'm lost for words with this one. Let's be honest, Google hasn't been really winning in this AI game.
If you ain't first, you're last, you know?
All we hear is OpenAI, Claude, Perplexity, Sora, Runway, and we hear everybody else but Google and their products until now. This video is for anybody who's trying to create faceless content, B-roll for their videos, and improve on their storytelling when it comes to their video content. Let's just start because I'm really excited about this. First, we're gonna just test it out. I heard it could talk, so we're gonna see if it could talk. Second, we're going to compare it to Sora, right, which is OpenAI's text to video. Then we're gonna see how it is from a promotional standpoint. Like if I got a product, if I got an event, can it say certain things? Can it give it its own vibe, right? And then I heard that it has kind of like a storyboard. You could create different scenes using the same character. We're gonna try that out. That's called Flow. This is all under Google's new update. I'm excited to show you. Let's get to it. So this first one, I'm just testing it out. I saw this picture on Sora. Yes, I'm still a big OpenAI person. So I came into this like kind of like side-eye situation. So I saw this and I want to see, let's see if we can bring this to life. So let's go into Gemini real quick. All right, so we're inside of Gemini. And first I had to make sure that I hit the video part, which was generate with VEO3 or VEO3. And I put this same exact prompt that I got from Sora into Gemini. And check this out.
I hate everything!
That's crazy. Like, that was just a picture. That was just a picture and turned into like a real life human being. So that blew my mind. Now let's see how it goes against Sora. So this is the video that I saw on Sora. Now Sora doesn't have any sound, but the quality is decent. So I'm gonna take that same prompt and put it into Gemini and see how it turns out. So here's the prompt that we're gonna put, which is exactly the same one in Sora. At night, a man is running alone with black shorts and a black hoodie on, and it continues. Look what this made. Now, when I say this sound design is so fire, the fact that I could hear the man running, I could hear the rain, I could hear the swish of the windbreakers, it's just so fire. So fire. I don't see any other, I don't want to say that too early, but this is fire. This next example is for those people who need to use AI to promote or who want to open their mind to use AI to promote. So there is a conference that's coming up, the Next Level Speakers Conference in Atlanta. And I wanted to see if we could recreate a speaker on stage in front of multiple people saying, the Next Level Speakers Conference, are you ready? So let's go into Gemini. All right, once again, I'm doing a very simple prompt. Do an African-American man in an orange and white tracksuit on stage doing public speaking in front of 500 people. I told it to have an LED wall, say, get paid to speak. And I told it what to say, which was, welcome to Next Level Speakers Conference. Are you ready? And then the audience applause. So not before. I want to see if it knows exactly when to applaud. Let's see how that goes.
Welcome to the Next Level Speakers Conference. Are you ready?
I'm lost for words with this one. Because if you think about it, there's not any other AI video generator that allows you to speak at all. Like you could do the lip sync, that's afterwards. This is right inside of the prompt, which is so wild. All right, let's get into the next example. And yes, we're gonna talk about pricing, that's at the end, but let's see if it's worth it first. So this example and this feature was the reason why I actually subscribed to get this and try this out, because I want to improve in my storytelling. And I see that AI can get there, but it wasn't there until now. So they have this thing called Flow, which allows you to do kind of like storyboarding, and it builds out each of the frames, each of the pieces that you want to say with a simple prompt, and it is amazing. So let me show you. So what Flow allows you to do is to make different scenes. Now, of course, this is going to be inspired by Nipsey with the whole victory lap. He did this scene where he was on a boat. And so this inspired it. First thing I realized is that to get VEO3, you have to have the highest quality, right? Default is going to have it on VEO2, right? And so this is why you will see, even though these are fire, these are like low quality, but these are still fire, but it doesn't have the sound, right? So, and I messed up in the characters and all of that. Once I went into, and I'll show you where, once I went into VEO3, it went crazy. So once I realized that, I redid all the scenes, and this is what it came up with. Let me make this bigger for you. Sound. Check this out. Now, it messed up in the character on here, but that's okay, because it's still fire. That's so fire. That's so fire. And the fact that I did that with just text, with just some prompts, right? I can show you exactly the prompts that I used. So, like, boom. I used a more detailed prompt to get the first part, right? But then I had drive up to the beach, park the boat, and jumps off. He turns around to the rainforest and walks up the pyramid. Now he walks up the pyramid, just observing every moment. Like, very simple prompts once you've started off, right? Like, you want to go detailed first, but then just add on to it. And then even if I wanted to, I can continue this story by doing jump to or hit extend. It's just so fire. Now let's talk about this pricing. So they have two tiers. One that is regularly $20 and one that is $250 a month. Now, depending when you're watching this, first 3 months is going to be either $0 or $124.99. But the highest, most expensive plan is the one that has VEO3. If you get the $20 or the $0 one, that is only VEO2. It has everything, but not VEO3. So to get what we were going over today, that is the $250 or the $24.99 the first 3 months. Once those 3 months are gone, it's $250. Now, the most expensive one doesn't just only come with VEO3. It has all the AI features that Google has. YouTube Premium, 30 terabytes of space. So there are some perks to having the most expensive one. Now, is this the best AI video generator? I'm gonna leave that up to you. My opinion, it's the best one right now for the simple fact that it has sound, right? No other one has sound. This one, great quality, great sound design, fire. But I really want to know what you think. So flood those comments. Let me know what you think about VEO3. And then, of course, while you're there, go subscribe to the newsletter and check out this next video.